So we have this shag rug here that we got from rugs.com. It's called the Infinity Shag, I think, or something like that. Infinity, I don't know. Whatever. It's really nice. We were really excited about it when we first got it. It's really soft, very soft, nice to walk on. It feels nice even with socks on. Oh yeah. Anyway, we've had it for about 6 months, and it's starting to drive my wife crazy because when you walk on it, she feels all these like things like stabbing her in the feet. And really the problem is that this shag is like so shaggy that you can't really like vacuum it. It's too long to vacuum, unfortunately. So anyway, I just spent about an hour. I moved the coffee table. What do we call it thing? I moved that thing, the table, and I like rolled the rug over, and I like spent seriously about an hour taking different corners of it, parts of it, and like shaking it out. I just want to show you guys everything that I got out of it. This literally all just came out of the rug just now. That is sick. This here, look at this here. This is good. We use these keys to lock the doors. The kids like find these keys and put them in their pockets. I don't know, but yeah, there was like some coinage in there, some like bark or some bark and like a part of a twig from a tree, half of like almost like full pretzels in there. Anyway, the moral of the story is, if you have a shag carpet like this, don't have kids.